30-second stock, let's go. The big question, will Threads increase Meta's revenue? First things first, let's look at Meta's 52-week range. Meta has been in between $88 and $298. It's currently trading almost at the very top of its range. The average analyst estimates that there's no upside here. We're looking at a PE ratio of 35.8 against an industry average of 20 and a really strong EPS, $8.22 per share. The story with this earnings chart is pretty simple. Meta over the last few years has increased its workforce in order to keep up with accelerating revenue. When the revenue for 2022 did not increase at the same pace as the prior years, they had too many people working there. Because of that, earnings were lower. Here we go, Threads. There are multiple takes on what will happen here. When Threads reaches 1 billion users, Meta will turn on advertising, which is going to generate revenue. How much is definitely up for debate. I've seen a lot of different numbers researching for this today. But I also saw a secondary theory on what might happen. Some people are saying that Threads will possibly steal users and ad revenue from Instagram especially. Personally, I don't know how much I believe in the second narrative. I think it's more likely that brands will add Threads advertising to their spend, but I'm not a marketing VP. Before we get to my final thoughts, I want to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more fast analysis of stocks, doing multiple videos per week. Here we are, my final thoughts on Meta. I think there's a huge opportunity here. So far, investors have not rushed into the stock, which means there's no reason to feel FOMO right now. As we wait and see what happens with the Twitter and Threads turmoil, I think it'll be obvious when the right time to enter a trade will be. You could always sell cash secured puts if you have an extra 30K laying around. Thanks again for watching. Thank you to our sponsor, Jelly Bean, and we'll see you next time.